everyone, welcome back in Git and GitHub video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about diff command, git diff. So as from name you can easily understand, it's a difference between our working directory and staging area. So let's see and practically what is diff. Now I'm going to run here git diff. Nothing is fine here because there is no difference between my working directory and staging area. Now I'm going to make here a little bit changes, say div and container, that's save. Now I'm again going to make hit this command git diff. That's showing us the difference between our working directory and staging area. And what is the difference? We add these bunch of lines, and previously this line is available, which is we removed from here. So now I'm going to add these changes in my stage area. First let's check here status, get status. It's showing us a modify file, git add here. Now again let's check status. It's giving us it's a committed, means now our staging area and working directory is same. Again I'm going to run the diff command. It will giving us nothing because now our working tree or working directory and the staging area is same. Now here if you want to compare your working directory or your staging area with last commit, sorry, your staged area with last committed, then first I will make here clear git and diff hyphen staged. I'm going to hit enter. Now what this command actually did here, it's compare or it's showing us the difference between our staged area, current stage area excuse me, and it's comparing with our current stage area with our last committed, which we made before. So this is diff command. You can set it's a difference. So that's all this video tutorial.